2 in the car park, getting ready. Wags is de-airing up. Wags is flashing the right colour. So we're good. There's Greggy rubbing his helmet as per usual. But he done that in the room already this morning. I think he did rub his helmet hard this morning already. Hayes, returning guys off to the Alps, I think. Gaz is clicking in his deer. Oh no. Lights going up. Doesn't matter. We'll fill up at the same time and then it's fine. So yeah, KTM looking good. As the exhaust is turning blue, it's titanium, changing colour. So yeah, we're all good. This is zipping in. Right. See you on the road. Boys, I've just filled up with fuel. They're somewhere behind me. I think there was a policeman stopping the traffic for a school, so they got stuck. We've all got SATNAV on, so we all know where we're going. And all is good. Another gloriously lovely day. Lovely. Lovely. Great day yesterday. A little bit warm, but better than rain. Clouds seem to stay over there in France. That's the French borders on top of those mountains. The shit weather stays over there. So no issues. The de-air was awesome. Absolutely spot on. It's a little bit warm, but it's fine. No problem at all. My mount broke. My other mount I had like this, but the flusher one, it snapped in half. When I took the camera out, it's a bit shit for a GoPro mount. It's not good. So yeah, it bust. I think I'm going the right way. Yep, it's fine. Yeah, we've got a bit of a dual carriageway for a little while, and then nice roads into the mountains. Autovia. So everything was good, even my SATNAV mount. I did, shall we say, quite a few miles an hour over the limit, and it was wobbling, but it never, my bodge job I did, it worked. So anyone with a Panigale, this mount is okay. You can read it, it's wobbling, but it's fine. Oh, the lads went the wrong way for some reason. I don't know quite what they did. So I was sitting on the side of the road for 10 minutes like a tit, getting hot. Although it's only about 18 degrees, but it just seems like it's about 30. The sun's so strong. Anyway, they're behind me now. So, all is good. All is good in the hood. Off to Fiscal. And then turning up to Biescas. There's a loop we know. Again, it's all to do with petrol stations, as in fuel stations, because there's not many around here. We just filled up, but you can't risk it. You see a fuel station, just top up. Get stuck in the mountains, and there's no fuel stations around. I think it might be going for a tunnel in a minute. I'm not sure. I ain't sure. Oh, what a view! Oh no, not another tunnel! It's only a short one. Oh yeah. What a place! This place is unbelievable. There is no one around. Yeah, stuff the Alps. This is where it's at for bikes. There's no question. This is the dullest road in the area. So, yeah. It's so good. Guys on GS's burning. See if I can keep up with them. They're fully loaded on GS's. I'm on a fucking sports bike. They burnt me up. They just ripped us. But we've never been down this road before to Biescas. So we are. Oh no, we're stuck by the coach. Oh no. Oh well. Not to worry. These guys are from Austria. They're well geared up. Oh, we found another brilliant road. I got by that bus. The others are still probably trying to get by it. No point getting out of third gear. Maybe a bit of second. But as we know, we don't know this road. Never been down here before. Be so careful. But it's awesome. Absolutely perfect. Max concentration. But if you don't know a road, you've got to be so careful. They don't seem to mark, they mark zigzag bends but not hairpins. So you have to be really careful. Like this one here, look, you just don't know. This is why I spend hours looking at Google Street View and Google Maps to check out road surfaces and stuff, because this road could be shit, it could be really awful. You just don't know. The slipper clutch on this is brilliant. Just a little bit of speed off. There's not many cars. Apart from that stupid bus, it's just quiet. Always try and take the wide line around the corners. Keep out wide. Wide. See, this one can catch you by surprise, then tuck it into the apex. Took off. Do a jump. There's the GS boys ahead. So if you guys can see, but the road's up there, weaving its way around. Got some hairpins, but I am going to wait here for the lads. No, that would have really stopped. Bugs has gone off in front, which is fine, and the others, they didn't catch me up. Too hot to sit and wait. I was sweating my arse off. So I'm just going to carry on enjoying this nice road. I guess I'll just carry on this way. Yep. SATNAV knows. I don't know if this is a hairpin or not, you don't know until you get on the corner. See that, they just tighten up so quickly. The wags are standing up there. Brilliant. This bike's got such a shit turning circle. It's unbelievable. Because they're turning around a bit up there. What happened to you lot? I waited down there for ages.
Yeah, sorry. We got stuck behind that bus for quite a long time.
Oh, right.
And we just stopped at the petrol station.
Oh. What for? Not petrol? Duh. I told you this is a good road, that's why I spent hours on Google looking for these fucking roads. It takes me hours. So when I say trust me, just follow me. I know where I'm going. You're never going to turn around here, you want to go down there and turn around at that junction. Turn around at the big junction at the bottom and come back here. There's a van. Yeah, I went by, which is fine. I knew you were waiting. They went to a fucking petrol station. What? I have no idea. It makes me hot, mate, waiting. I get pissed off. This is what I was doing. Yeah. I thought, stop where the thing to town that where we're getting to. Stop, hey, we need to stop for a drink. But I'm not keep waiting, mate. I'm so hot. Yeah. Fucking piss me off. Fucking petrol station. Oh, just annoying. I'll get going slowly, dude. Oh, slowly. Right, Waggy's behind me somewhere. I'll slow down a bit, wait for him, bless him. He's on his own. Right, Wags, where are you? goes Wags. I can film him now. Bike feels better with the tyre, back tyre a little bit softer. Brilliant.
This road is really, really, really nice. There's a few pine cones on the floor and a couple of rocks, but whoa, they're not nice. Oh, we've got a push bike. Hope I don't get overtook by them. Yeah, this is really, really, really nice road. Good cyclist. God, it's like being back in Cambridge. Yeah. Letting the old Super Duke do all the engine braking, it loves it. Oh, hi car. Max behind me. These are nice roads if you generally didn't know there was anyone else on them. You not ever know what's around the corner. Don't like us motorcyclists. Never mind. Oh, I tell you what, this beats you up a bit. I haven't even looked at my SATNAV. I think I'm going the right way. Woohoo! Naughty because it is actually a 50-kilometre limit. We certainly haven't been doing 50. Amigos, or amigo-esses.
Oh, I can't see a freaking thing. No reason why you can't burn though. The crowd of the Panigale. Look at that view. That is unbelievable. This road is the nuts. It's the nuts. Right, off to Formigal, which is a ski resort. I think it's still on the Spanish side. I'm not 100% sure. We're going to keep going until the weather closes in, and then we're going to obviously come back. It could be a bit shit. We shall see. Ah, what a place. Amazing place. Whoa, what a view. We're in Formigal. We just came from down there. It's amazing. So I'm going to find somewhere to eat now. Yeah, this will do, dude, it's fine. Yeah, this is fine. What? Yeah, we're very high up now, as high as you can go. Whoa, stony. Right, stopped in Formigal for lunch. Ski resort. Not sure how high up we are. 2,000 metres. Pretty high. Don't know why we stopped here for. I'm going to carry on. I just thought I'd bring the boys up here just so they can see what it's like to be so high. Look at the snow over there, amazing. Lots of loose gravel round here. Mind out. Snow-capped mountains. That'll be gone in about a month, that snow. It'll be melted. Stop here because I'm resurfacing the road. Whoa, bloody hell, windy. Nice new tarmac for about 10 metres. Oh, look at that view down there, the lake, stunning. What a view.
Look at that view over there, that is beautiful. And the snow up on the mountains, and it's 16 degrees. Oh, it's lovely, really, really lovely. Might get some views in a minute of the lake. Oh, naughty KTM, slow down. So yeah, there's the view over there. There's a view of the boys.
Oh, the dam there. The lake looks amazing. It's so turquoise. Yeah, this road's not too bad. We're heading back to Jacka now. It's the N260, I think. It's nice and cool up here, I'll give it that. It's only, what's the temperature? It's 18 degrees. But it's just lovely. Get the boys to come by me. There we go. There's Wags, Daz, there's the Gazmeister. There's the Gregors, there's the Matman, and there's Mr. Hayes, and I'm in 4th gear, what a twat. Better to have them in the video than me just looking at nothing. That lake is absolutely beautiful on the left. Don't forget, I see it, might see it around the corner. You can't really see the lake, it's just on the left. 40k to Jacka. Oh, look up there, it's amazing. And even these main roads, they're not really busy, it's still quiet. That's the funny thing. There's the lake. Amazing. I better look where I'm going. Might be a good idea. catch the boys up now. I left me behind, I stuck on that stupid car. Oh, coming to a village now. There's the Gasmeister.
Yeah? Alright. I burned my brother. He burned me.
There's the Gaza.
Oh man.
What Wagaton's doing. Spikes. Oh, the boys found some dodgy strip club. Dogs look scary up there. They saw a dodgy club and thought they'd check it out. It looks like it could be one of those places like from dusk till dawn, and you go in there and you never come out. It looks a right shithole. It's there, that. The fuck is that? Bada bing. Look at the gates. You go in there, you'll never be seen again. It has got a wasp in his helmet.
My lid, and I was like, what's that buzzing on my head?
What a dick. Go around the roundabout a few times. Come on! headed back to the hotel. But I think we're going to go out again in a minute for another ride. We'll see. Matt's got a footrest. Oh, loads of bikes. Da, 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 da. Gary's doing a wheelie, as per usual. Can't resist on the torque machine that is the Super G car. Oh, pothole. You can see our 3 budget vans here, look.